Hello and welcome to another episode of I show you a 3D print through a macro lens and try to convince you it looks better in real life. But seriously, this is something I just want to quickly go through because it's a way to dramatically improve your 3D prints without doing anything at all to your printer. What we see here is a keycap I've quickly run off on my mini Delta printer, and as you can hopefully see, on the face of it, intentional pun, it looks smooth, but on the side where you don't touch it, there's roughness and the back is frankly scruffy and gross. And as seen here in Cura, the orientation may look odd, but there's two main things I've done on purpose here. First, I've chosen the orientation so that you have the side that you want to be neatest to be vertical or close to vertical. That in this case is the front. And second, I've raised up the model just enough so it doesn't touch the build plate directly. Make sure you use a big enough raft when dealing with very small contact areas. It doesn't seem to matter if you have very thin sections as long as you have enough surface touching the build plate. If you find the pieces wobbling around, the solution isn't to add more support, it's actually to slow down the print and the acceleration settings. If you notice, I've also turned this piece so that it finishes on a diagonal edge at the top to really minimise the top face area, which is another place where the finish it comes out less than ideal, even if you choose the Cura ironing feature. That's all I wanted to talk about in this video, but if you did find it useful, please give it a like and stick around for more 3D printing and general electronics hobby fun. Thank you for watching.